How to zoom in and out on Capcut PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can zoom in and zoom out in Capcut PC. In order to do this procedure, first thing you have to download and run the Capcut desktop editing software on your Windows. And then you need to go to File in the menu bar and you need to import to add a video to your Capcut timeline. Then you need to drag the video to your Capcut timeline. And before you zoom out in the video on a Capcut, you need to remove the playhead bar at the place where you want to begin the zoom in the video. Now if you want to zoom in a part of a video, you select it. First thing you have to split the video, and next you need to select the video clip. Then move the playhead bar to start off the video clip and click on the add keyframe button on the right side bar. Now after that, move the playhead bar to the place where you want to zoom in on the video and then click on the add keyframe again. Next you need to drag the scale slide to the right or to the left to locate the position, and next preview the video and check what it looks like. And that's how you can zoom in or zoom out in Capcut. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.